Hey guys, what's up? This is Ricky and I'm going to show you the fastest way to schedule appointments with VAPI AI and Google Calendar. I swear to God, this is the fastest and the easiest method to set all of it up. First things first, you have to go inside VAPI tools and then you have to set up a VAPI tool for functions call with the exact same description, both of these off. Parameters should be caller name, these three, and make sure to name it the same as it is case sensitive. Also, don't forget to write the description, otherwise the LLM will not pick it up. You can pause the video in between and then take a note of these and paste the same in your dashboard as well. Save this tool, then you go inside your assistants in which you want to use this tool. Open up tools, then you select the tool which you just created, function call, that will call the webhook in the end. In the end, you publish it. After that, you go on to Voicerr.ai and then create your own white label website on it. After you log into your white label website, just move to this Automation Lab tab. What this helps you is to create workflows inside your white label website so that you don't have to make them in N8N or make.com. And it's also very easy to create workflows in Voicerr white label websites. They have a template for booking appointments. You just open up the template, activate the template, and then you just create some connections. I have made a connection for Grok. It's an LLM provider, just like OpenAI. You create a key on their website on console.grok.com, and then you just put in the details inside connections. I have two connections right now, one for Grok and one for Google Calendar. You go inside the templates, and then you, on the nodes which have this warning sign, you just have to fill them up with your connections. And the rest of the workflow is already implemented. That's the best part. You don't have to worry about how to make those complex workflows now anymore. It's just there. You just have to connect your accounts with them, and that's it. Connected Grok, and now I connected my Google Calendar. This is my default calendar. Save them up. One is for, okay, we just have two left now. You're getting close. Okay, all done. Please also save and generate output for both of these outputs. Cool. One last thing to take note of. Please select the current time zone that you are in. Otherwise, it's not going to work out. And then I have some settings for CEST and German European time. So please change the prompt according to your time. Don't remove all of this at once. Just selectively change the time. You also have to make the same change on the second last node. We have CEST. Please change this if you are in US. Okay, cool. Once you have entered all of these details, activate the workflow, save and import. There you go. The template is now a part of your workflows, and you have your webhook, which VAPI is going to call. We go on to VAPI. Inside your tools, you have the server URL. This is where you put in your Voicerr white label website's webhook. That's all. And then we can go onto our assistant and test it out, how it works.
This is Alex from Tech Solutions Customer Support. How can I help you today?
Hi, this is Ricky. I want to book an appointment tomorrow, 7:30 p.m. for a dental checkup.
This will just take a sec. Your appointment for a dental checkup is booked for tomorrow at 7:30 p.m. Is there anything else I can help you with today, Ricky?
Can you book another appointment for me for 5:30 p.m.?
This will just take a sec. Unfortunately, 5:30 p.m. tomorrow isn't available due to another appointment at that time. Would you like to hear some alternative times for your dental checkup?
Yes, please.
Great. Here are some alternative available times for dental appointments tomorrow. Before 5:30 p.m. or after 6 p.m. Do you have a preferred window? Or
Just
would you
book
like
book one more for 4 p.m.
Just a sec. Your dental checkup appointment is booked for tomorrow at 4 p.m. Is there anything else I can help you with?
That's great. Thanks a lot. And there you go. You don't have to figure out those connections between the nodes in N8N or make.com anymore. It's just all done. And there's just one template right now for booking appointments. In the future, there are going to be more than 20. So even if you have to add something of your own, it's going to be really easy. You just have to make a few changes in the prompt, and there you go. Thanks.